Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Michelle and I like to make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, but mostly whatever I feel like. So for today's video, I want to be showing you like a first impressions slash unboxing slash just like quick general thoughts on a company called JW PEI. So I first heard of this brand through or saw their ad on Instagram, and I clicked on it because it said sale, my favorite word. And once I clicked on it, the Instagram kept showing it to me over and over and over and kept telling me to buy it, and so I had no choice but to buy it. So now I'm making a video about it. I was a little tricked though, because even though it said sale, limited time, I think it's always on sale, but it's still, I did cop these at an okay price for what they are, I think. We'll see. I personally have not ever purchased anything through an Instagram ad before, but I thought it might be kind of interesting and hopefully helpful to those who are also looking into the brand. So let's just open those boxes. Alright, so my package arrived in these lovely marbled colored boxes, which I will unfortunately not be keeping because they got dented during the shipping process. Oh, they have a dust bag. Not the greatest quality, but it's fine for what I paid. And the first purse I purchased was the Eva shoulder bag in Ice Croc. Okay. Okay, so at first glance, I'm glad that the purse is true to color. It's like a nice sky blue. I will note that for some reason I thought it'd be more textured because it's like a crocodile skin, but it's actually pretty flat and kind of reflective. I think on my camera shows, no, yeah, that's actually pretty true. Yeah, right there it looks really reflective. That's just my camera, but it's just slightly reflective is what I'm trying to say. The hardware looks good. It has JW PEI embossed on it, or engraved, I'm not sure, right there. And on the zipper handle. Oops. Zipper opens and closes pretty easily, so I would say that's pretty good quality. Inside is like a canvas material, and it has a little logo there too. That's really cute. I think I read it's made from like recycled fabric of sorts, and they use vegan leather, but I know it's just like polyethylene. Is that how you say it? It's like just plastic, honestly. Comes with a tag too. I hate when straps are like stuck in certain shapes. That bothers me so much, but this seems pretty flexible, so I'm glad about that. That's cute. Another thing to note is their stitching looks pretty good. It looks pretty even. There's no loose threads or anything like that. And I paid, I think, $34 for this, and I think that's like reasonable for what for the product I received. Yeah, looks really nice. Beautiful color, beautiful silver hardware, but you could kind of tell it's not like real, obviously, but honestly I don't mind that much. It does look really reflective in my camera though. but it's not so bad in person. So yeah, the first one. For my second purchase, it also arrived in the same marble colored box. You can see the huge dent in there. Oh, I forgot, but I also purchased separate straps. Looks nice. It feels pretty substantial. It has very, like, a little weight to it, but that's good. It comes with like a gold ring for the strap. It's a close-up. Also comes in a dust bag. Oh, so I got the mini crossbody, I think that's called. Mini flat crossbody, and I got it in the mint green color. Ah, this has more wrapping to it. Okay. Ah, so cute. Very cute. So same thing. Actually, I thought this would be a little more brighter, like on the website, but it's still really pretty and still really close. And same theme again, it's very flat texture. Like, there is small indentations to it, but overall very flat. Which I think that's what the website showed for this purse. So to open it, you just have to push up here. Maybe I'm the only one who couldn't figure it out in the beginning. Okay, separate straps. Wow, this purse will definitely hold its shape. It's very stiff, or on the stiffer side. So inside it has a zipper compartment and two like sections there. Oh, and another pocket in the front there. The hardware is like a bright gold, but they feel pretty substantial, like the Eva purse. There's there. The zipper stuff. The stitching also looks good. I think this purse might hold up over time, but we'll see. The strap also feels that looks like the strap also feels pretty flexible, and it has like little, it's not all the same, it's like that pattern. There we go. On this, it's all the same pattern. So for this, I paid around 52 or 54, and I think it's pretty like well worth it actually. Sorry you can't see, but I'm looking at a mirror. Lengthwise, it hits right at my hip, and it could even work as like a small crossbody too. Oh, one more thing. It does have a logo in the front, but honestly I could do without it. It's kind of, I don't know, it kind of just looks stamped on in a way, but it's so subtle that it's fine. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with my purchases. I think these are good quality purses for what you pay for, and for the few like minor setbacks, it's honestly reflected in the price. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys found it helpful or if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, say hi, and hit the subscribe button to see more. And I will see you guys again real soon. Bye!